Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review and install on this unit that I have on right now. This is the number 4 color. This is 130% density. This is a 13x4 lace front deep wave virgin human hair wig, you guys. So this unit was sent out to me by Sowigs. So like I said, I'm going to be telling you guys all the details, construction wise, clip wise. I know you guys probably want to see like combs and if it came with adjustable straps and all the information. So I'm definitely going to be telling you guys into this video, so definitely keep on watching. Don't forget, like I said, to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay guys, jumping right into the video. Like I told you guys before, this wig was sent over to me, you guys, by Sowigs. The first thing that came with the wig is this instruction manual telling you guys how to care for your unit. It also comes with this little kiss clip, you guys. But let's go ahead and get into the hair. It comes into this separate bag as well. First thing I noticed once taking the hair out of package, you guys, how soft this hair is. Okay, this hair is so soft. Okay, this is 13x4. This is 18 inches long, you guys. So this unit is 130% density, y'all. It does come with baby hairs as well. It has 4 clips. You get 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps, so you can adjust the wig to your liking of your head size. So right now, I'm just going to show you guys what the lace is looking like on my hand. And I'm just going to apply the unit just to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the box. And like I said, it does come with baby hairs. I'm not a real baby hair fan, but I did put a little baby hairs out with this unit as well. And you guys will see that later on in the video. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Ghost Bond glue, you guys. As you guys already know from previous videos, I like to use Ghost Bond glue when I feel like I'm going to wear my unit for a long period of time. So with this unit, you guys, I did go in with 3 layers of glue just to make sure my wig was really secure. to bump the top of my hair just to make it a little bit more, I mean not bump, to make it a little bit more flatter, you guys. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I am so in love with this hair. It looks so seamless. Okay. So I'm definitely going to leave all of Sowigs information in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to check them out, and don't forget to use my discount code to get a percentage off of your next order, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.